Today, on the occasion of Republic Day, let's remember Usha Mehta, the voice of freedom. When I think of freedom fighters, Usha Mehta stands out as one of the most inspiring heroes during India's independence movement. Let me tell you about this amazing woman who ran a secret radio station during our freedom struggle. Born in Gujarat in 1920, Usha Mehta started participating in India's freedom struggle when she was just 8 years old. Can you imagine being so young and already fighting for your country? She would wear clothes made only of khadi and would participate in protest marches against the British rule. But her most exciting and dangerous work came during the Quit India movement in 1942. At the young age of 22, Usha Mehta did something incredibly brave. She started a secret underground radio station called Congress Radio. This was at a time when the British had arrested all our important leaders and banned all newspapers from printing true happenings about our freedom movement. Every day, Usha and her friends would broadcast news about the freedom movement from different locations in Mumbai to avoid getting caught. They would move their radio equipment from place to place in cabs. The radio station's famous opening words were, "This is Congress Radio calling on 42.34 meters from somewhere in India." Isn't that exciting? It was like a real life adventure movie but with real dangers. Through her broadcasts, she made sure that all citizens knew about the progress of our freedom movement. Many people called her radio the voice of free India. She would share Mahatma Gandhi's messages and news about protests happening across the country. Running a secret radio station was very dangerous. The British police were always trying to find her. Finally, on November 1942, the British discovered her radio station and arrested her. Though she was tortured in jail, brave Usha refused to tell the British about the other people who helped her. After India became independent, Usha Mehta became a professor and continued to teach young people about the importance of freedom and democracy. The government of India honored her with one of the highest awards, the Padma Vibhushan, for her contribution to India's independence. What I find most inspiring about Usha Mehta is that she was so young when she started fighting for India's independence. She shows us that age doesn't matter when it comes to doing something important for our country. She used her creativity and courage to help India in her own unique way. From Usha Mehta, we learn that every person, no matter how young, can make a difference. We should never give up even when things get difficult. Today, when we freely listen to radio and watch news on television, we should remember Usha Mehta and many others who fought to give us such freedom. She was truly a hero who used the power of communication to help fight for India's independence. Next time you switch on the radio, remember the brave young woman who once ran a secret radio station to help free our country. Thank you.